Once upon a time, in the vibrant hills of Jamaica, there were three extraordinary young men named Vassal, Giffy, and Kieran. They weren't just ordinary friends, they each possessed incredible powers that set them apart. Vassal had the gift of summoning lightning from the palm of his hand. Whenever he was excited or angry, sparks would dance around his fingers, and thunder would rumble in the sky. Giffy was a master skater, but not just on roads, he could skate through the thickest forests and towering trees as if he was gliding through water. His speed was so incredible that leaves and branches blurred past him in a flash. Meanwhile, Kieran had the power to spin faster than any tornado, creating whirlwinds with just a twist of his body. One day, as a dark storm gathered over their island, the three friends knew they had to do something. The storm was unnatural, a sign that a strange alien ship was trying to drain the island's energy. Without hesitation, Vassal summoned a mighty bolt of lightning to illuminate the sky and guide their way. Giffy skated through the dense forest to reach the ship's hidden entrance, darting past trees and obstacles with lightning speed. Meanwhile, Kieran spun himself into a whirl, creating a powerful gust that knocked the ship's defenses off balance. Together, the three friends combined their powers. Vassal's lightning struck the alien ship, Giffy's speed disabled its engines, and Kieran's whirlwind sealed its escape route. The storm calmed, and the island was safe once more. From that day on, the people of Jamaica knew that their land was protected by heroes who could summon lightning, race through trees, and spin faster than the eye could see. And Vassal, Giffy, and Kieran? They continued to watch over their home, ready for the next adventure that would come their way. And so, the legend of the three lightning-fast, tree-skating, whirlwind-spinning heroes of Jamaica lived on, bright as lightning, swift as wind, and unstoppable as a storm.